Good afternoon. Okay, this is how to assemble cotton candy from Dollar Tree. Now, this tub is a little big. So, what you have to do is make a front, a back, and a top. You'll have 3 pieces. So, when I start, I normally wipe off my top and then wipe off my sides. So I usually start with my top. Now this is how you're going to do it. It's really simple, really easy. You're going to put the top down backwards and you just make a couple of little strips with this tape roller. Oh, I'm sorry. Your tools you're going to need: tape roller, scissors, cotton candy. So, as I was already explaining, you put a little tape roll on there, put it here in the middle, and you just kind of roll your fingers around to get the tape to stick. And there we go. Okay, so this is what I like to do. I'll flip it upside down and look for this little clear tablet where they use to open up the cotton candy. And that's what I'll use as my guide while wrapping it. So what I do is this one needs to be trimmed a little bit. I've done a few of them, so I know kind of eyeing it where it needs to be trimmed at. So once I get done with that, I'll do the back. And then I'll trim up the front one before placing that one on there. And I always have like a little box, a little trash can, a little something to throw away your little trimmers. That way, when it's time to clean up after you're done with everything, you won't have a lot to do. Now sometimes what I do is push it down here so that it covers it up. So when it comes to applying the tape, what you're going to do is right here where it curls at the top, you're going to put some tape right there. Where it curls here at the bottom, you'll put a little tape there. On the sides right here, you're going to put some tape right up here, right at the edge on these, right at the edge. On this side as well, right at the edge. So I'll do that and come back. And if you're looking to find out where you get these tape rollers from, I got mine from Amazon. So, oh, sorry. So now what you want to do is find that tab again. And you're going to take where your Mickey Mouse sign is and you're going to stick it right all the way down here. Just like that. Once you're done, here you go. Once you're done doing that, you're going to kind of give it a little crease so you can get that tape to stick on it. So then after that, you're going to roll it this way and put your tape down here. You're going to roll it this way. Make sure you push it inside this little top. Roll it this way. Roll your finger up and seal the tape. Now you have a small guide as far as where to put your front. So like I said, I already have done some, so I know where to trim it at. So now I'm just going to trim the top where it seems to be fitting without having to cover up any type of sign. So I'll cut that out now, throwing away my little scraps. Now this is what you want to do, is cover up this way. Just like that, and make sure it doesn't cover up your Mickey Mouse symbol. So now I'm going to put tape on it in the exact same spot. Tape here, tape here, tape roll right up this line. Get it as close as you can, because this one goes on the top. So now I'm going to bring this back. And this is how I do it, because I want to make sure I don't cover up the Mickey Mouse sign. This is how I've been doing it. If you don't have a sign back here or anything like that, then it might be easy for you to just do it and not have to eyeball it. So after that, I will roll this inside of the little lid top. You're just going to keep rolling until you get to the end. And then seal it with the tape that you already did. So there it is. The back. There we go. Oh. I'll do one more. Wipe off the top. Wipe it off. No dirt on it. You need the three, the circle in the middle, the back, the front. And so with this, I'm not going to explain it to you. I'm just going to do it. And you can just watch me. I guess I should have some music playing or something. But it's all good. Where's my top? And go. I think I need a new chair. Like I said, I'm already aware on where I'm supposed to trim it. Okay. Take these here. I'm sorry, you guys, about the squeaky chair. It's old. Now, I'm glad this happened. You have a little bit of access. You see this right here? So all you want to do is take them scissors and just trim it a little bit. There you go. Thanks for watching.